Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Being Mikhail. This is Mikhail, and today I'll be showing you guys two aircraft that I received for my birthday. My birthday was 4 days ago, but unfortunately I was busy with schoolwork and couldn't find the time to make this video, so I decided that the weekend was the best time. So here we are today. I'll have two aircraft. The first one is a Tupolev TU-154M of Slovak Airlines, made by Phoenix Models in the 1/400 scale. The second one, which I will make another video on, is an Antonov AN-26 in the 1/144 scale plastic kit model that I'm going to build by hand. Before I start, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on post notifications so that you guys don't miss another video on the channel. So let's get into it. So our first aircraft, like I said before, is the TU-154M. This is a Soviet 60s era jetliner that looks similar to the Boeing 727. It has a max speed of 570 miles per hour. It has a max range of 3,600 nautical miles. It has three Soloviev D30 engines, each delivering about 23,000 pounds of force. And it has a max fuel capacity of 13,000 gallons. This is a great model. I really like the Tupolev TU-154M. I just love the retro look of the plane and the three engines. I think it gives it a lot of originality, and that's what kind of makes it really aesthetically pleasing, and that's why I chose this aircraft as one of my gifts. So let's go ahead and open it. Right there, and here's the jet. It looks in pristine condition, looks perfect. And now, let's finally reveal it. Ooh, it's a bit tight, but I think we should get it out. Yep, there we go. Keep that to the side, move the plastic, and here we are. Just like that, a Tupolev TU-154M of Slovak Airlines. It's an amazing model. I absolutely love the blue color at the tail and the, I'm not sure which bird that is, but the bird logo also looks amazing as well. And again, the retro look of the 1960s, 1970s jetliner, three engines. This has to be one of my most favorite aircraft in the world. Overall, a great airline. I'm really happy with this model, and I definitely recommend you guys should get it. One reason why I chose this specific aircraft, I enjoy collecting the more obscure aircraft, such as this one. A lot of collectors, I feel, collect like a lot of well-known aircraft like American Airlines, Delta, but I like to collect the more obscure ones, the ones that are harder to find. So this is one reason why this aircraft is in my collection now. Again, it's a great aircraft. You can see here, it has 6, 12, 13 wheels, and three Soloviev D30s I was talking about earlier. Yeah, and of course, looks like a 727, although it has way more windows on the cockpit. So again, a very great model. Really happy to have this one in my collection, and I think Phoenix Models did a great job with this model. So guys, here's the final product. As you can see, again, it's a very, very amazing aircraft, and I'm really happy to have it in my collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I did say I have another one. However, this one is a plastic kit model, which I feel would be better if I made a separate video for it, because I'm going to be building it hand by hand, and it's going to take a while. So I hope you guys are patient. But if you want to see the video where I build this one, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. But again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.